magandang umaga sa ating lahat. I would like to welcome you here at Casa Milan Clubhouse for the first ever All Hearts, One Village Fun Run and Fun Walk 2026.
Good morning neighbors! Good morning! Thank you sa paggising ng maaga for our fun run, the very first ever fun run dito at hopefully simula ng marami pa. So ito po ginawa natin to promote a healthy lifestyle among us at para din po magkakilala tayong lahat.
It takes a village to raise a child. It takes a village to establish your own family. And here we are as one village. Sama-sama tayo to make this community a safe place, a community where dreams can come true, a community where we can come together and work together. Where alam natin na basta tayo magkakasama, kahit magka-problema tayo, our neighbor is there for us. Diba?
Marami pong salamat sa lahat ng nakilahok sa fun run natin ngayong araw. Sa mga maagang dumating, sa mga on time at kahit sa mga late joiners na umabol pa rin para lang makasama po dito, marami pong salamat sa pagkikisa. Kahit napagod, pinagpawisan at hiningal, worth it naman dahil para ito sa ikabubuti ng ating subdibisyon.
Morning sun is rising high. Neighbors are waving as we pass by. Different faces, one same dream. Together strong, one family. Step by step, side by side. Feel the hope we cannot. Song, Casa Milan, together we belong. Every stride, every smile we share, through the unity everywhere. One love, one village, shining bright, running as one in the morning light. Hear the laughter in the air. Every moment that we share. Hand in hand we cross the line. Your victory and mine. Through the road, near or far, together we are who we are. One love, one village.
Yun ang deeper meaning nitong napakaganda and first in our history. And with that, I would like to say congratulations to all the organizers, to all the participants, and let's have fun dito sa Casa Milan. Maraming salamat po.
One love, one village, shone bright, running as one in the morning light.
Congratulations to having this wonderful event, our 3K and 6K run, and hope to see you again for the next event of our Casa Milan Homeowners Association.
Inuulit ko po, maraming salamat sa mga dumalo, nakisama, dumahok, sa mga bisita. Salamat po.